Welcome to this Google Sites screencast where we're focusing on communicating and sharing resources. In this screencast, you're going to learn to create your site from a template. So here I am working at www.edtechchallenge.com. I'm on the Unit 2 page, specifically Unit 2.1. As you work down this page, you're watching a video probably from this page right now. I'm going to go click here to access templates. This is going to take me to the district templates page. You should find your district in the template list. So I'm going to do my example from Franklin Public Schools. So here it is right here. And Franklin's going to have many different templates. So depending on how your district has set this up for you, make sure you go a little slow here and pick your correct building. I'm going to just use the generic template for this example. So here's what the template looks like. You'll either see a blue banner at the top that says use this template, or there might be a big use button over here. I'm going to go ahead and click this and create my site from this template. So this is the first step in creating your template. You see that this is highlighted red. I'll make this a little bigger here. This is highlighted red, meaning I'm going to create my site from this template. I need to name my site. So I'm going to call this Mr. Kafka's, well actually no, let's do this. Let's put the building name first. So I work at, my school I work at is Forest Park, so I'm going to abbreviate that and put FP Kafka. What that does is when you type that name, it also makes a URL for your site as well. So here you can see FP-Kafka was added. I don't need the dash there, so you can edit the URL. I'm going to take out any dashes just to make it as short as possible. By doing the building and then the teacher or faculty member's name, some of these sites will be shared within your district. This will help keep all the FP sites together or whatever building you might work in. So try to do that as a naming convention. Put your building and then or an abbreviation of your building and then your teacher name. And you can check with your district tech person to see what they would like you to have do, what you should do for that if you have any questions. So there we go. I've selected that. I'm going to hit create. And this is now creating my site. So once this site opens up, it will be my site. It's basically like I made a copy of that template. So now this is my site. I get my editing tools up here. So this is my edit tool. This is my add a new page tool. Whenever you make a site, the default, if you mouse over the share button, is set to private. So you could work on your site for a little while before you allow anyone to see it. If I do click that share button, when I go in there, there are choices here. So it says private right now, and if you scroll down, if you wanted to share this site with others individually, you could go into the add people box and add others to share this to. There might be a user set up in your district that all faculty sites should be shared to. Your district people will tell you that. If I wanted others just to be able to see my site, I would change it from private to anyone with the link or public on the web. More than likely you're going to choose anyone with the link. Your district people will probably link this up someplace for your students and your parents to be able to get to. And access is can view. I'm going to hit save. So now if anyone did go to this link, they would be able to see my site. When you're done in here, to get back to the front of your site, this is kind of the managed site is kind of the back area. This little arrow right here takes you back to the front end. So I'm going to click on FP Kafka, and then we'll put together some other videos here to show you how to edit some specific parts of your site. But that's how you get your site started, and we'll go from here. Thanks for watching.